One, two, three.
What was still on there?
Oh wait, keep going, keep going.
Yeah, that was
Yes.
5 times better.
Will somebody get the welder? Weld it on quick. Yeah. Yes. Well, I want to see how close we were to our line. JJ. What? We were spot on that line. Oh, nice.
Alright, so let's talk about a little story.
Let's
today.
talk about what happened over here.
Not a very good storyteller, but you see Cassandra, or, I mean, Sandra for short, for short.
Shirt.
For sure.
Are you messing up? Okay.
That's
Cassandra
totally how I am.
was doing some welding. She already stinks at it.
She's
but-
learning. She's progressing very quickly, actually, in my opinion.
I don't know. But she decided, I mean, it's time to go down lower to get to the bottom. To
Well,
weld
because
this
you couldn't
pole.
see it if you were like above it.
Yeah, exactly. So
Right.
you have to
You have
lay
to get
down.
lower.
And
Yeah.
I thought you had to go closer too. So that's what I did.
Well, because it's pretty hard to see through the helmet. You
through
know?
the helmet. Exactly.
Because
I get
it's all dark.
Because it's all
I
dark.
understand.
So I did it. I put on my helmet. I'm laying down.
Wait, no, you didn't do it. Sandra did it.
Yeah.
yeah.
Cassandra did it. Not me. Um, and she's welding. And all of a sudden, for some reason, her neck is starting to get hot. And she's like, what's going on?
How did you know that her neck was getting hot?
I don't know. It just happened. I don't know.
Go back and forth.
Switch between
Exactly.
her. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So then it was kind of silent. I don't know. It was weird. And I noticed, oh, my hair's on fire. So I sit up and in my mind I'm thinking, okay, should I drop and roll? Is my whole body going to go on fire? And as I'm doing that,
Am I?
I'm like patting it with my hand. And I think it went out.
It did.
Yeah.
And
But
she
you
didn't
said,
get burned.
I think you said, is my hair on fire?
Yeah. Sandra also said that.
Yes.
So she
And we
asked
said,
if it was on fire.
yes.
And we did, yes. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I also kind of imagined my neck being black afterwards, but it wasn't.
You didn't get
So-
burned. She was lucky.
I mean,
Lost
we
some
had some
hair.
like black hair, and it stunk
Burnt
was-
hair
it was
smells.
bad.
Yes.
So poor
Well-
Dumper has a couple shades of hair, but
Yes. Well, that was pretty awesome. Good reaction.
I'm just glad we can laugh about it.
Right.
You know?
Right. She wishes it was on video because you were just taking pictures.
exactly.
I have a picture of like half a second before
Here,
it
you know
happened.
what? We'll put the picture right here. And now you can see what she was welding.
She was very low, very close to the
I was
sparks.
focused. You know?
Focused.
She was focused.
So focused she
was
didn't even
in the
know.
zone.
Exactly.
Her hair was on fire.
Just all of a sudden.
Poof. Just like that.
Exactly.
I should have kept taking
Some of it
pictures.
came off.
And she gets handfuls after that.
It was fun.
It was fun.
It was fun times.
She almost wants to reenact it without the fire.
Yeah, but on the other side.
Other side.
So it's even.
Oh, okay, with fire though.
With fire?
Yeah.
What?
I mean, if it's on one side, I might as well put it on the other.
Gotta match it.
Oh my goodness, it's awful. Oh, by the way, the official name of the dump truck is Thumper the Dumper, if you haven't noticed yet.
Nice. I think that was Sandra's pick.
I think so.
I agreed with it, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So it's not. I think it was
I
like.
think I pulled most of it out already, which kind of...
I think it was like the little hair, right?
Yeah, it
That-
was like over here,
like
too.
right there. Yeah, right.
You can
That
feel the
was
coarse. It's very coarse.
Mm.
a little bit shorter. All right. Well, all on a fun days with the work. And your mom said don't get hurt today.
But I
Really?
You didn't get
I
hurt.
technically
You
did.
just lost a little hair.
See, just like me. That's all right. No worries.
Just like.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't. Stink. Okay. Look at that. I think it just got this. I don't think it was that bad. Okay, we're good.
You're shaking,
I had
though.
fun. Yeah. Just
It's
burned
awful.
my hair a little, but it's okay.
All for Thumper the Dumper.
But yeah, he's worth it. I love you, buddy. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. I had a blast. I think we can all say that. We cut things.
We cut a lot of things. We welded a lot of things. We had a little hair incident.
Yeah, it was worth it though. It was totally awesome. I mean, who can say like that you burned your hair before? Like, honestly.
Not a lot of people. Hopefully not a lot of people. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah.
Peace.